I just want to show you guys this. And I know a lot of people have used these vending machines before. And of course, there's probably a lot of people that haven't. So I like showing different vending machines on my channel. I thought I'd show you this one. I'm filming this on my phone, so hopefully it turned out okay. But I've used this kind of machine plenty of times before. I'm in a Wawa gas station, but I've seen these in different fast foods. I've seen, I think, at Burger King, McDonald's. A lot of places are getting this now, but it's a lot more convenient because you get a lot more choices. It doesn't take nearly as much room as a standard fountain drink. Let me show you. And what I like about this, if you have different, you can go all drinks, go low calorie, caffeine free one, and then fruit flavors. Show you all drinks. These are all your choices. And of course, if you click on one, some will have different flavors, like the vitamin water, for example. Look at all those flavors. If you wanted the vitamin water, say that fuzz iced tea, which I like to get, the diet kind. Look at all the different flavors. So each one has different flavors for each, which is really cool. So you really have a huge variety. There's probably hundreds of different things if you mix it and stuff like that. This is a Coca Cola version. I think I've seen Pepsi version of this, but I should click on one more. Like, look, citrus twist, mellow yellow, raspberry peach. You know, these are more flavors you won't typically see in like a bottle, which is pretty cool. I just want to quickly film this. They have a sale right now where any size fountain drink's 99 cents or $1. I mean, if I'm going to get one, so I'll probably get this one. Now let me show you. Well, first I got to get a cup. Alright, let's get this. Let's get this cup here. Alright, don't want to do too much. Unsweet. Unsweet. And press this button. Sometimes this button will stick. And it'll keep running. Now they have different kinds of ice. They have the full ice. And over here is the smaller pieces of ice. So you can get either one. So that's it. I just want to show you guys this. Do another vending machine for my channel. These are pretty cool looking. Alright, well. Let's just put this down. Alright. Thanks for watching. Bye.